Welcome aboard SAPPHIRE of London, Discovery 67005. She was built in 2011 and you're seeing her recently out of a refit 2022. Just gone through the main saloon and now we're in the galley, all in Avonite. Lots of workspace, Hansgrohe tap, carbon water filter. This is a MasterChef 5-burner oven, huge refrigeration. All the implements you can possibly imagine for a chef. First owner was very, very keen on cooking. And here is her raised saloon. The joinery is in maple. She's got teak and holly sole boards, all looking very well. At the moment she's running on crew covers, so you can't see the upholstery. Here's the main control panel. She's got new lithium-ion batteries, they're smart, Victron ones, and she's got Victron monitoring. You can monitor that through your iPhone. And then here is her workshop storage area, big area for keeping stuff. And then we're just going to go through into the owner's stateroom, which has a large desk, also a vanity, which is charming actually on the port side. Very large double berth, flat screen TV. Ken Freevock breathed on this interior for the first owner. There's lots of leather and custom touches. Big shower. Of course she's fully air conditioned. She's also got waterborne hydronic central heating. Loads of storage here. This is a fantastic place in which to spend time. And loads of space for putting things away when you're spending a lot of time on board. Her first owners took her around the world, and these owners have cruised her from the UK down to Australia, New Zealand. In 2022 she had a big refit to get her ready for the return trip, and at the moment she is laid up and waiting for them to return or for somebody else to take her far. And we're just going to have a quick look at the engine room. So you've got tool chest, which is a sort of bit of a Discovery signature, and then into this engine room, which is very well insulated. You won't hear the main engine when you're on deck. You see the fuel filters there, and then she's got a Volvo Penta 180. All running well. It had a 5,000 hour service not that long ago. Controls for the sail handling. Beyond that you can see she's got a sea fresh water maker. Membranes are new. Halyard exhaust, aqua drive. Main control panel is in the main engine. You can see it there. Easy switching. Very clear panel, and she's got an Onan 13.5 kVA generator that was replaced with her second. That is running well. Really easy to work in this engine space. Obviously all the fire extinguishing is up to date. She's in class at MCA Category 2, which is done as a safety measure, so all of her safety equipment is all in date. Look at that lovely maple. And then we're just going to walk forward and have a look at the guest accommodation. You can see the mast just in the centre. One of the other things that's been replaced is all of the Raymarine She's got P70 autopilot, I170, all hybrid touch, yellow brick, you name it, she's got it. She's got good communications. This is a day head, which actually is a bit more than that, and we'll have a look at that further later. And then you've got an upper and lower berth cabin just to starboard. Now this cabin is great if you're running with crew. This owner has always used her as a family boat. At the moment it's full of linen and cockpit cushions and all the stuff that she'd be using if her family were on board. Sliding door, which means that it's not taking up space. And then this is a lovely guest double berth cabin. Lots of storage, lots of light and air, and it's also got a door into the guest heads compartment, which has a separated shower and all the same features as the owner's heads, looking very, very smart indeed. There is a secondary door that will go on to turn this into a guest stateroom, should you wish it, and then the side cabin will use the day head shower. Big double berth. Masses of storage. Air conditioning and heating, obviously, in all the cabins. Really lovely lighting, all LED, many custom touches. You've got large side windows here that have just got blinds on them at the moment. All of the tap fittings were all bespoke. So this is a really nice space, it's really good forward layout. So this is the day head. You see you've got a proper shower. Beautiful detailing. So this can be day head, it can be crew head, it can be guest head for the two side cabins if the VIP cabin forward is using the main heads. And then up into this main saloon, which has this upper area and then seating to starboard. And there we are through this amazing saloon and up into the cockpit, which is huge. Big cockpit table, twin wheels, carbon of course, and big wide side deck. Pedestals have all been updated. She's got fly-by-wire, she's got bow thruster control at both stations, she's got a new array marin, so that's all very current. Davits are by Cobra. You see she's got a solid bimini here for the twin wheels. And then there's a nice bimini and a spray hood. All of this is new. It's umbrella, it's lovely. Controls for all three sails from here as per all Discoveries. And really good access with flush hatches onto the aft deck. So underneath this funky new cover is a Highfield 360 with a 40 horsepower outboard. Lovely steps down on her transom. There's an integrated passerelle. Teak decks looking very fresh. The rig is a Formula Spar. It's been on the ground. It's had every bit of it replaced, repainted, sorted. It is perfect. For 2022 she has a new mainsail by UK Sails. The front sails are Hydronet. The Baymar furling has all been upgraded. She's got a self-tacker. Very easy to sail. She's got an inner stay with check stays. Really simple anchoring, big forward lazarette. And you won't see, but she's got a beautiful flag blue hull. She's got copper coat underneath. That was done in 2019. It's really hard to get through all the things that have been done because there is a lot. Twin poles on the mast. Underwater lights. Running rigging's all immaculate. She's a powerful blue water cruising yacht that just eats miles. It's easy to sail, short-handed. And she's been there and done it, and she's really totally ready to go again. And the refit has been done with guys who've sailed her halfway around the world, so they know exactly what it is that she needs. Discovery 67005, Sapphire of London.